Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question together. So we have root x plus root 3 is equal to 3, and here we to solve for the value of x. So x is the unknown what to solve for. To do this, solution. So we have root x plus root 3 is all equal to 3. Now, since we have square root here, we're going to square the both sides of the equation. So we have it as in brackets root x plus root 3 all squared is equal to 3 squared. So with this, what we have is something like this. We have a plus b all squared. Okay, this is in this format. Now a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is root x, while the value of b is root 3. So expanding this, we have it to be equal to a is root x, this becomes root x then all squared plus 2 times a is root x times b is root 3, so root 3, then plus b is root 3, so we have root 3 all squared, okay, then equal to 3 squared is 9. So from here what we have is this, that square, we cancel square root, x then plus 2 times root x times root 3 is 2 root 3x plus square cancel square root, we have 3, so all is equal to 9. So from here what we have is this, we can move, let's first open the bracket, so x plus 2 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. So then moving plus 3 over to this side, this becomes x plus 2 root 3x plus 9 is equal to 9 minus 3. Okay, so from here x plus 2 root 3x is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. Now at this junction, we are also going to move x over to this side. This becomes 2 root 3x is equal to 6 minus x. So dividing both sides by 2 over 2, 2 divide 2, what we have is this, that we have root 3x is equal to 6 minus x all over 2. Now we are going to remove the square root from here, and to do so we are going to square the both sides of the equation. So in brackets we have root 3x all squared is equal to, in bracket, 6 minus x over 2 all squared. So with this, we have this, that square cancel square root, we have 3x is equal to, now 6 minus 2 squared is simply, in bracket, 6 minus x over 2 multiplied by 6 minus x over 2. So from here, let us then open the bracket. We have 3x is equal to 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times minus x is minus 6x. Minus x times 6 is minus 6x. Minus times minus is plus. Then x times x is x squared. Okay, all over 2 times 2 is 4. So from here, let us then rewrite 3x as over 1, such that we can then cross multiply. 4 times 3x is 12x, so is equal to 1 times this is simply 36 minus 6x minus 6x is simply minus 12x. Okay, then we have plus x squared. So with this, move 12x over to this side. What we have is this, here becomes 0 is equal to 36 minus 12x plus x squared, so this becomes minus 12x. So from here, 0 is equal to 36. Now minus 12x is minus 24x, then plus x squared. So what we have is this, if we were to rearrange it, we have x squared minus 24x then plus 36 is all equal to 0. So with this we have a quadratic equation. Now solving it right here, we have this, we have x squared minus 24x plus 36 is all equal to 0. Now to solve for the value of x, we are going to make use of the quadratic formula, and the formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 24, minus 24, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 36, so 36. So inputting these values into the formula, the value of x is then equal to minus b is minus 24, so in bracket minus 24 plus or minus square root of b is minus 24, so in bracket minus 24 all squared, then minus 4 times a is 1, then times c is 36, okay, all over 2 times a is 1. So from here, the value of x is then equal to minus times minus is plus, so plus 24 plus or minus, now we have square root of minus 24 squared. Minus squared is minus times minus, which is simply plus, okay, and 24 squared is 576, then minus 4 times 1, 4 times 36 is equal to 144, okay, 144, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So from here, the value of x is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 144 is 432 all over 2. Okay, now we can write 432. 432 can be written as 144 times 3. This will give us 432. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 24 plus or minus. Instead of writing this, we'll write square root of 144 times 3, then all over 2. So with this, the value of x is equal to 24 plus or minus, this can be written as root 144 times root 3, then all over 2. So from here, the value of x is equal to, we have 24 plus or minus, okay, root 144 times root 3 over 2. So right here, we have root 144 times root 3 all over 2. So with this, x is equal to 24 plus or minus root 144 is 12, then times root 3 all over 2. So with this, the value of x is equal to, from here, 2 we divide 24, we have 12. 2 we also divide 12, we have 6. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 12 plus or minus 6 times root 3. So with this, the value of x1 is equal to 12 plus 6 times root 3, and the value of x2 is equal to 12 minus 6 times root 3. Now we have gotten the value of x1 and the value of x2. Okay, good. Now the next thing is to check whether these two solutions are the correct solution, which of them is the wrong solution between these two. So let us check that out right here. Let's check. Okay, so we have the first value of x is equal to 12 plus 6 times root 3, and the second value of x, x2, is equal to 12 minus 6 times root 3, and the equation is root x plus root 3 is equal to 3. So for x1, which is 12 plus 6 times root 3, inputting it into this value right here, so we have it as root x becomes 12 plus 6 times root 3, okay, plus root 3, with this equal 3, question mark. So from here, if you look for the value of square root of 12 plus 6 root 3, right here, the value will be greater than 3. And if you add that with the value of square root of 3 will be greater than 1. Now, if you had a value greater than 3 plus a value greater than 1, this will not be equal to 3. So therefore, the value of x1 right here is not the correct solution, okay? Now let us confirm for x2, which is 12 minus 6 root 3. So the equation that we have is this. We have root x plus root 3 is equal to 3. Now for x2, which is equal to 12 minus 6 root 3, and putting this into the question, what we have is this. We have square root of x is this, 12 minus 6 root 3, then plus root 3. With this equal 3 question mark. Now, if you look for the value of square root of 12 minus 6 root 3, this will be less than 2. And if you add that with the value of square root of 3, which will be less than 2, what you have is a value that will be approximately 3, close to 3. So therefore, the closest answer for the solution is x is equal to 12 minus 6 root 3. This will give us a value that will be approximately 3. Okay, good. So with this, we've gotten the correct solution. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.